Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Diya Vlogs. In today's video I have got some exciting news. LG Soft India is hiring. So without any further delay, let's get right into today's video. LG Soft India is hiring C or C++ developers in Bangalore. They are inviting candidates from IT, CSE, ECE or EEE backgrounds to apply. This opening was posted via Hire Me. So if you click the link I'll drop in the comments, it will take you straight to the application page. Let's discuss about the role. The designation is Research Engineer and the role is C or C++ developer. So mandatory skills are solid knowledge of C and C++ embedded programming, basic knowledge of Linux, strong understanding of data structures and operating system concepts. So let's talk about the eligibility criteria: BE or BTech, ME or MTech, IT, CSE or ECE or EEE, and the pass outs for the year goes like 2023, 2024 or 2025. Regarding the academic score, 70% and above throughout your academics, and the location is Bangalore. As I said in the thumbnail, the CTC is 7.56 LPA, which is quite good offer for an off-campus. So regarding the work mode, you have to work from office from the Bangalore. You have a working days of 5 days a week. The selection process goes like 4 step. The round 1 is online assessment. You have it as an MCQs type. Round 2 is coding test and it is also online. Round 3 is face-to-face tech interview and round 4 is also face-to-face HR interview. All tests will be conducted at the LG premises in Bangalore. Once you are selected, further details on your project and department will be shared. Important note, no relocation benefits will be provided and only shortlisted candidates will be called for the interview. Now when you click the application link, here it is, take assessment and apply. So you will be asked to fill in some basic information like email ID, mobile number, full name, gender, graduation and post-graduation, college name, year of passing, internship details. So willingness to relocate to Bangalore, self-rating in C or C++, and any additional certification. So make sure to double check all your info before submitting. Before I wrap up, this is really important. No official hiring will ever ask you for money. Please stay alert. No matter how tempting the job looks, if someone asks for money, stay away. So that's all about today's video. If you found this helpful, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and share it with your friends who are also job hunting or interested in tech careers. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more job updates, off-campus hiring alerts, and career growth opportunities in the tech industry. So hit that bell icon and stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Keep going and keep growing.